So again, guys and gals, it's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I hope you guys don't mind my experimenting with video settings to try to get my what's on my monitor to match what I see on the YouTube video. We'll try that. It might be totally bad. The important thing is that the units are fixed correctly, right? Right. Okay, so we're gonna test out a converted 8-track. I have converted this 8-track for use with a reproduction radio. Reproduction radio works best when pumping into a non-grounded speaker system. Since Delco systems use common ground speakers, there needs to be a way to make this formerly common ground unit work with a non-common grounded stereo system, so that's what we've done. When I finish a conversion on a standalone 8-track unit, these controls will no longer work. Your tone, volume, and balance are all handled at the radio, and the only thing that works on the unit is, of course, the motor, the new preamp I install, and the track change button. And so on the back here, I get rid of that confusing connector and replace it with you just got a basic hot and ground wire, red and black. You've got a tape output that goes to your reproduction radio, and then since the 8-track uses up that repro radio's aux input, I provided an aux input on the 8-track section, on the 8-track player. Whenever there's no tape in the unit, the aux signal will be passed directly to your radio. So, that being stated, let's go ahead and hook this puppy up. It's going to be a quick test because there's hardly anything to test. And I just run it through my bench receiver as an amplifier to simulate the reproduction radio's amplifiers. Okay, we're going to hook our hot and ground up here. It'll be going in about 10 seconds. Okay, hot and ground hooked up. Make sure my power supply is turned on. And let us pop a tape in here. Let's try some Temptations.
What? A reflection of a face I see. I'm hurt, downhearted, and worried.
Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, take a quick look at our output level meters. Make sure those are showing output on both sides, which it is. Turn it up a little bit more.
It's a dog-eat-dog world that ain't no lie, ain't no lie. It ain't even safe no more.
Alrighty, back to the unit. Whoop, wrong button. There we go. Okay, and that's it. And that takes care of it. It was probably an unbelievably short test, assuming that it's supposed to be comprehensive. But the way the unit is now, that was the complete test. So I'm ready to get out of here. Probably go out and grab a burger. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. I'll spare you the spiel. My number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.